97 in 2001-2 to 12,335 in 2011-12. Yet, the losses on these operations continue to mount, increasing from rupees 4,955 crores in 2001 to rupees 22,500 crore in 2011-12, and is estimated to be rupees 24,600 crores in 2012-13. This has also resulted in deterioration of services extended to our esteemed passengers. Mounting scarcity of resources continues to stare us in the face. Thin spread of funds has only compounded the problem. In fact, I find that many of the projects which would help railways in debottlenecking and decongesting its oversaturated network are not getting funded in a time-bound manner. During the 11th plan, railways could meet the target of new lines and electrification, but fell short of the target for doubling and gauge conversion, achieving only 2,758 kilometers and 5,321 kilometers respectively. Considering the vastness of our country and taking into account the large areas still aspiring for rail connectivity, the targets need to be much higher. And the rail network has to be expanded at a much faster pace than has been possible till now. Planning Commission has tentatively pegged the Railways 12th plan at rupees 5.19 lakh crores with a gross budgetary support of 1.94 lakh crore, internal resources of 1.05 lakh crore, market borrowing of 1.20 lakh crore, with another rupees 1 lakh crore expected to be raised through the public-private partnership route. The internal resource target, which is 1.6 times that of 11th plan, also appears to be a tall order, as we could allocate only rupees 10,000 crore in the first year of the 12th plan. The onerous task of raising the balance amount of rupees 95,000 crore in the next 4 years calls for a paradigm shift in our approach to tariff and non-tariff segments of earnings. Ma'am, the railway family is deeply grieved over the most unfortunate and tragic incident which occurred at Allahabad station during the ongoing Holy Kumbh. I am particularly pained that such an incident happened despite the most meticulous planning and efforts put in by the railways to take care of the comforts, safety and other requirements of the pilgrims.